Right, let's do this example together. Solve for the following equations. X plus 5 is equal to 3. We want our x on the one side and all our numbers on the other. So how do I get rid of a plus 5? I subtract 5 from both sides, which means I took the minus 5 over and made it, and made it a negative. Therefore, x is equal to 3 minus 5, which is minus 2. Check your answer. Is minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3? Yes, it is. Right. Y minus 4 is equal to 8. I want the y on one side and the numbers on the other side. So when I get rid of the minus 4, I take it over and it becomes a plus 4. Y is equal to 12. Doesn't matter about my colors here. Let's check it. 12 minus 4, is that 8? Yes, it is. My answer is correct. Right. 5x. I want my x's on one side. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3. So I want my plus 3 to stay, so I don't need to write the plus. But I want my minus 12 to go across. So the minus 12 will go across and become plus 12. I want my plus 2x to come across and become minus 2x. Does that make sense? Or you could do the same to both sides, whichever helps you. 5x minus 2x gives you 3x. 3 plus 12 gives you 15. Divide by 3 on both sides. So divide by 3, let's just say 15. Divide by 3. To get rid of the 3, I'm going to, instead of multiplying, I'm going to divide, which means x is equal to 5. Let's check the answer. 5 times 5 minus 12, is that equals to 2 times 5 plus 3? 25 minus 12 is 13. 2 times 5 plus 3 is 13. Yes, it works. Next one. Y over 8. I want to keep my y's on one side and I want to take the plus 5 over. Plus 5 will become minus 5. So y over 8 is equal to 53 minus 5, which is 48. If I want to get rid of the divide by 8, then y would be 48 times by 8. 48 times 8, very big number, 384. Let's check my answer. 384 divided by 8, is that equal to, plus 5, I lied to you. Plus 5, is that equal to 53? 384 divided by 8 gives you 48. 48 plus 5 gives you 53. Yes, it works. Okay, law of distribution. 5 times x, 5 times 8 is equal to 60. Okay, I want my x's on one side and my numbers on the other. Take the plus, what's 5 times 8? Plus 40 across and it becomes minus 40. So 5x is equal to 20. To get x on its own, I will have to divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Nice and easy. If you do go a little bit slower, that's fine. Let's check the answer. 5 times 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 5 times 12 is 60. Is that equal to 60? Yes, it is. An energy company, there's another way to check it. 5 times 4 is, let's write it like that. 5 times 4 plus 5 times 8, is that 60? 20 plus 40 is 60. Either way, gives you the same answer. Alright, let's go for number 6. An energy company in the West Coast District Municipality charges residual customers a basic fee of 150 Rand and 50 cents per kilowatt hour. Define the utility function for a household in the municipality. Let X, represent the total number of kilowatt hours consumed per household. So they're going to be charged a basic fee of 150 regardless of what they're going to use. So Y is equal to their total bill. The utility function, let that be Y. The function, or the function of X if you prefer. Does that make a difference? No. The function of X is Y. Okay, it is the same thing. It's not 150, but it's 150 plus 50 cents times each kilowatt hour. You don't have to solve for X, obviously, because there's two unknowns. You just have to give the function, meaning the formula. Right, now, using the same information as the previous question, there are 700,000 households in the West Coast municipality. So obviously what the households are going to spend will be equal to the revenue earned by this municipality. So find the revenue function in rands for the municipality. Let X be the total kilowatt hours consumed by the households. So the revenue function of X, f of X, the R of X, it makes no difference, is still Y. You will have 700,000 households, each paying 150 plus 0,5x. Or you could write it another way, 700,000 times 150. You could also, but I don't like this way, you could have said 105 million plus 350x, 1000x. I don't like that way because that's big numbers. This means each household will pay us that. How many households are there? 700,000 households. It's a little bit better, hey? Okay, let's go and test your skills. Exercise 4.1, there's a couple of questions for you to do, all the way through to number 11 for you. Give it a bash, and then we'll mark it together.